comfortable living right in the heart of Albany with the motorway access close by. You've got shops just a short walk away and also top schools on your doorstep. This is a fabulous property, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, great indoor-outdoor flow to a private exclusive area, and it is almost brand spanking new. So make sure this is on your list to view, and I look forward to seeing you at our open homes. Maree Gray, Harcourts.